The figure is like this. And this is A, B, C, D, E, F. And AD. AD is 23 centimeter. AD is 23 centimeter. AB is 13 centimeter. And this is also 13 centimeter here. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now Shivani, read the question, please. Hmm. Now all the sides are equal, so it means that all the sides are 13 centimeter. And this is 24. This is 24, and now here it is given 13. So 13, and this is L, and this is M, and this is also equal. See, this is also AL is equal to DM is equal to, कोई बता सकता है कि कितना होगा? 23 minus 13 upon 2, which is equal to 5 centimeters. Is it be okay? So this is 5 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeters. So we know that what is CM? First, because it is a rectangle in between this figure, and we know that one side is 13. Suppose we take out this rectangle from here to here, and we know that this is 13, and this is B, F, E, and C. Then how do we know that FB and CE? Is there any idea about this? किसी के पास कोई idea? This is the last question of this chapter. How do we find the length of FB and EC? Without this, we are not able to find out the area of the center portion. Anyone has any idea? Yes, Pythagoras theorem is right. Right angle triangle property is also in right angle triangle. ALB. I just took ALB because this is, I think, the upper portion and it is visible and clear also. So, by using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, BL is equal to under root 13 square minus 5 square. So I think it is 144 and it will be 12 centimeter because 13 square is 169 and 5 square is 169 and 25. When we subtract it, we get 144. So it means that BL is 12 centimeter. If BL is 12 centimeter, it means this is also 12 centimeter. Clear? So this is also 12 centimeter and this is also 12 centimeter. So now take out the area of the ABCD. What is this? Pentagon, hexagon. Now the uh, area of A, B, C, D, E and F is equal to area of triangle AFB plus area of BFEC plus area of DCE. DCE. Then we make a rough over here. Rough. Then now come to the area of ABF. Yeah, AFB. We know that the base is 24 and the height is 5. So half multiplied by 24 multiplied by 5, it will be 12, 12 5 is 60. Is it be okay? Then 60 plus area of B, what I written here, BFEC. So it will be 24 multiplied by 13. Can you please fast multiply it? 24 multiplied by, because it is a rectangle. So rectangle, for rectangle, length into breadth. So 24 times 13. I don't know, you can calculate. 13 fours are 6, 13 fours is 42. 312 is the right answer? Okay. So it will be 312. And you know that this area of AFB is identical to DCE because the dimensions are same. So we just write 60 over here. Now add it, 312 and 120, 432. So this is the total area of the given figure. Is that clear to all? Very good. So now the exercise 18B is complete. Yes? Now discuss the objective questions. Yes? What do you want to say? Pardon, repeat. Okay, two trapezium, yes, very good. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया उसके ऊपर. Yes, you can. You can. But you have to mention it. Okay, this is a trapezium. I just take three because triangle, rectangle, and triangle is easy. Because this figure is like you can use this. Area of AFED is equal to area of ABCD ऐसे लिख लो और छोटा हो जाएगा ABCD area of both the areas are equal because uh, their sides are equal or their dimensions are equal. Then you can take out an area of one trapezium and double it. Exactly, do it. No problem. You can do. No problem. It's okay. Good. Good. मेरे ध्यान में तो आया नहीं मंजिल. तुम्हारे ध्यान में आया एक बार. Very nice. Yes, this is the solution. Right solution. No problem. Clear? Can I rub it now? Copied. So now tell me, anyone has any problem in the chapter number 18? अभी किसी को लगता है कि चैप्टर नंबर 18 में कोई प्रॉब्लम है? Then I think everyone is clear to this topic. Very nice. So let us start exercise 18C. Whatever the classwork you can do in classwork copy, and rest if there is a few question left you can do in book only. Don't send me messages please. This message is visible every time. Now, Manjeet, read the first question from the exercise 8C. Yes, 18C. So let us see we can able, don't write anyone, don't write. Now I want key, these are the very, if the question is difficult then we will write. This is easy and we can calculate it mentally. Okay. Now, Manjeet, tell me the formula for area of trapezium. Height. Okay. So, what is the total of 18 plus 14? Shivani. Shivani, please listen carefully. 18 plus 4 is, 18 plus 14 is, it's okay, no problem. 32. And what is the half of 32? And 16 nines are, yes, yes. You don't know the table, huh? Now see, now you, अभी तुम्हारे को homework मिलता है. You can learn the table till 20. Shivani, yes. Then why you take too much time to say the answer? 16 nines से पूछा, 16 nines से कितना होता है? Yes, Manjeet. Yes, the answer B, option B is the right answer. Okay, now Ria, read the question please. Check your internet connection, Ria. Check the internet connection. Okay, I will read. The length of a parallel side of a trapezium are 19 centimeter and 13 centimeter, and its area is 128. The distance between the parallel side is. Yes. Now the question number 2. The length of a parallel side of a trapezium are 19 centimeter and 13 centimeter, and its area is 128. Find the distance between the parallel sides. Ria, 128 multiplied by 2 is equal to 128 multiplied by 2 is equal to. Just wait. Don't raise the hand, Manjit, please. Okay, Manjit, tell me what is the double of 128? 250. Listen, Shivani, I will ask you. Don't think every question I will ask with you. 256 is the correct answer. And now, Manjit, what is the total of 19 and 13? Now we have to divide this number or we can subtract this number. Now everyone see the area of trapezium area of trapezium is equal to half multiplied by h multiplied by sum of parallel side. So if we are finding the height, then height is equal to area multiplied by 2 upon sum of parallel side. Yes. So now the area is 128 times 2, which is equal to 256. Yes. And what is the total, Manjeet? No, 19 plus 13. 19 plus 13. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now Ria, divide it. 256 upon 32 is equal to. Please wait. बड़ा आसान है ये तो. It's very simple. 8. Yes, 8 is the answer. Clear? Option C is the answer. Now the next. Now Shivani, read the question please. Question number 3. अब सबसे पहले तुम्हारा एक करेक्शन कर देते हैं. It's trapezium. Can you please say trapezium? Yes, trapezium, trapezium, trapezium. Okay, okay. Now, exactly the same thing. So, so Shivani, tell me what is the total? What is the double of 630? What is the double of 630? 1260. Good. 1260. And what is the total of their parallel side? 7x. So x is equal to 1260 divide by 12 sevens is what? Tell me the answer fast. Tell me the answer fast. 1260 divided by, leave that 84. You just divide it fast and tell me the answer. कितना देर लगता है? 15 is not a answer. अगर हम इसे 12 से काटेंगे तो 15 हो जाएगा, 150. तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मैंने कहीं पे कुछ गलत लिख दिया क्या, वो देख रहा हूँ मैं. द शॉर्टर साइड. ओके ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड द शॉर्टर साइड. ओके, ठीक है. तो अगर हम इसको 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे, सिंपल है ना. दिस डिवाइड बाय 7. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू? x इज द 150 by 7, and if we multiply with 3, then we don't get a whole number. Then what is the problem? 630 and 12, 1260. 1260 is the right, and the distance between the parallel side is 12. So I think it is a wrong. Okay, let us see. Let us check. Now let us check this question. Now the area is what? 630 times 2 is equal to, the height is what? 12, and the sum of the parallel side is 3x plus 4x. Okay. Now this is 1260 divided by 12 is equal to 7x. Yes. So the this is equal to, no, not equal to. This implies x is equal to 1260 upon 12 into 7. I think the question is wrong here. So because 12 ones are, Oh, no, 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 no. Exactly right. 7 ones are and 15. 15 is the right answer. X is equal to uh, 12 ones are 12 and then 0, then 5 is 60. Then 15 is the right answer. So, but 15, value of X is 15. So 15 threes is what? 15 threes is 45. 45 is the shorter answer, shorter side. Yes, option A. Option A is the right. 45 centimeter is the shorter side. Okay. Now see the question number 4. Uh, Only there is 3 students in the class. Pulkit, can you read the question number 4? Can you please read the question number 4? Pulkit, are you there in the class? Can you please read the question number 4? I think he is not audible. Okay. Manjeet, can you read the question number 4, please? Mm-hmm. Hmm. Wait, wait. Just calculate. Everyone, try to calculate mentally. Yes, Ria. Yes, Ria. Can you please tell me what is the double of 180? Double of 180. Please don't may I. Acha, okay, tell. Yes, okay. Now the total area is means area multiplied by 2 is equal to 360. Okay. Now, now tell me the total. Now tell me the total of this is equal to what is the height now? Please tell me the height is 9. So it will be 40 and x plus 6 is equal to 40. So, Shivani, now tell me what is the value of x? Shivani, now tell me what is the value of x? ओ तो इतना इतना तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ जब मैं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ तुम मुझे पूछ रही हो तो मैं आंसर बोल देता हूँ x इज इक्वल टू 14। ठीक है ऐसे बोल दूँ मैं x इज इक्वल टू 17, x इज इक्वल टू 16। नाउ यू हैव टू चेक ना व्हाट इज द आंसर, व्हाट इज x। मे आई तो तुम करते हो बट आंसर देने टाइम में गायब हो जाते हो। व्हाट इज द हाफ ऑफ 34? मंजीत? Yes, x is equal to 17. Here x is equal to 17. Now find out the longer side. Just add 6 and 17. 17 plus 6 is Shivani. So option B is your answer. Okay, clear? Now fifth one you all can do by your own.